Yeah, I am Qasim. Today I will make jacket potato. Today is very nice cooking. Most people in England have jacket potatoes. Okay, let's start cooking. You take one fresh potato from the British farmers and you put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. After when it's done, you can put it in a plate like this. That's cooked. My mum put it in the microwave. And it's very nice. Now we're gonna cut it in half. Look, and here's toppings: carrots, onions, and tomato, cheese, or another cheese, even a little bit chili. This is for beans. Most people have beans in their jacket potato, but some people don't like jacket potatoes. Butter is olive oil. This butter from olive and it's very nice and healthy. I'll open it. We gently scrape. Potato is very soft. If it's not cooked yet, it is hard. If it's cooked, then it's soft. So I put butter. You put butter like this, very gently, even the other side. This one is not too much calories. If it's big butter and it's fat, then is too much calories. That is healthy. It have olives inside, that's why. First I put onions. Onions can make you cry because if you chop in front of your eyes, it can make you cry. Now tomatoes. I might need a little bit more onions. Cheese. Cheese. Half cutting. Okay, and now beans. I got chili here. I put only a little bit. One here and one over there. That's it. Must only be little. If too much, make you so spicy, and you have to drink water too much. Okay, now time for beans. It's delicious and ooh la la, yummy. Now the most yummy, excited part: beans. Okay, here's beans. A little bit more beans. Look at that sauce. One more scoop, little. Look at this, beautiful. Now let me put the sauce, that pot. And now look, it is a jacket potato, normal with everything. It looks very yummy, delicious. A bit more cheese. Just a little bit. That's it. Now it looks super delicious and you must try it. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna try. So guys, I'm gonna taste it, how it's beautiful made. Okay. Mmm. It's very delicious. Guys, you cut like this. You take this pot off and then you do like this and get a little bit of beans here. Like this. After you eat it like this. Mmm. Very nice. Okay guys, what do you think of my video? Like, subscribe, share with your family, friends, everyone all around the world. Even your families, even your parents. to try it. Shh. Promise is so delicious. You must eat this. I should get one potato, put everything inside, ever you like. Okay, bye guys, bye. Ooh la la, yummy, delicious.